Hello everybody. The grass is green and long. Wind turbine's not wind turbining very much. It's just rained. Yesterday was freezing. Day before was cooking. I am up at the deer farm. Just brought two stands up. One to put them two hives on that are on the floor, because I don't like the hives on the floor, and I'm sure the hives and the bees don't like being on the floor. Oh, look at that hair. Hair today, gone tomorrow. Where'd it go? Pew! That's a bunny rabbit and a hare. Yeah, two stands. And I bought the little strimmer to string around the stands and entrances. Because the grass is getting long. Butterflies, lots of butterflies. Flutterboys, butterflies. All the bees should be active. Oh look, yeah, number two's got the bucket on. That's the one I brought up the other day out the garden, and I put them in a box. I want to have a look in the blue circle one, nuke. I want to have a look in that because I need to make sure they've got themselves a queenie weenie now. That number two that I brought up the other day, that's got a nice big fat plump ginger queen in it. Then there's the other swarm that come into the garden. They've got to come up soon. Yeah, they've got to come up soon. And we caught another swarm over at Corby. Where I put my box in the tree, the swarm went into the box instead of into the wall, which is a good thing. So I'm going to collect that Thursday evening, and then that's going to go on that there. I'm running out of room. Well, I'm not. I'm running out of stands. I'm running out of hives. I've run out of wax. Well, I've not run out of wax. I just can't melt mine at the minute because the sunshine's buggered off, and my solar wax melter runs on sunshine because it's green and all that jazz. Fire was working, but was very dangerous. Yeah, well, they're all flying. Some bee airway traffic today. I'll park right in front of them. I'll move back. I think I'll move back. Yeah, I'm gonna have a look in the blue one. I'm just going to pop the lids on all of the boxes and have a little quick look down. So they should be bringing in loads. What I've got to watch now is that they fill all the boxes up. Yeah. Bit of evening being. G'day mate. We're just down here in the bee jungle. I'm going to string around the hives and I ain't got my suit. I've just got a couple more stands with some scrap wood, stick them on the old trusty Panda roof, and away we go. We got the seats back in the old Panda, the Vanda. Gonna start tidying her up, making her look respectable, sort this paint lacquer and stuff out, and finally paint the crashing it had. Yeah, we're gonna tidy the Panda up. Anyway, hello bees. It's only me's. You in the blue, we're coming in. Everyone else, we're just lifting the lid. Oh yeah, look at them. Alright bees, you've got a stand so you can come off the ground. Oh, look at yous. This hive's still quiet on the end here. Compared to the rest, straight away, as soon as you walk in. Look at the rest. Look at that one. But when you look in it, it's stacked full of bees. So I'm not sure on them. Yeah, we'll have a little strim. We've got another stand to set up. We've got a stand for them because I'm sure some creature's coming out of the jungle there. Yeah, prepare yourselves bees, we're coming in. So we've got a brand new virgin queen in there, marked and clipped now. And number two, the blue circle, I've just found the queen in there, so I'm going to mark and clip her. She's another nice dark queen. So I'll just put her back in. Lovely 2024 queen. Oh, there, no, she's gone. Shit, I didn't think about that. They'll all stick to the roof. Come on, little queenie, get back down in the hole. Where are you going? Let's give her a bit of smoke. That'll send her down. Go on, get down there. Off she goes. It's a bit cold today, so they're a bit dopey. So that's everything done that I needed to do. We marked the queen in the new big number 4 hive, and we marked the queen in the blue circle hive. They're all strong, man. They're bringing in honey. We've got the stand ready for them ones to go on. I cannot lift them on my own, not even the small hive. Either I'm weak or they're heavy, and then we got another stand ready to move a couple of nucs onto when they go into big hives. So we are on it, and we strimmed, and the bees didn't like it and they attacked me. Each hive, see, they work as a pack. 2 hives attack, 2 hives attack, and then 3 hives attack. The little ones didn't bother, and I got stung around the ankles, but oh well. We got smoke on the inside of the car this time, on the window, because I put it on the back the other day when I was up the other farm, and I was off-roady Odie and it fell off the back Panda. Luckily I found it because it was smoking, but don't want to be doing that this time of year when it's dry and all frazzly. Set fire to the field. Already nearly set fire to the garden with the wax. It's becoming quite dangerous, this bee activity. Yeah. Anyway, we're dun diddly un diddly un diddly un.